Hi everyone! Welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're making a Reuben sandwich. It's a classic, and it's so delicious. This sandwich has been a favorite for generations, and once you try it, you'll see why. You're going to love it. The combination of flavors is just out of this world. The Reuben is a hot sandwich. It has corned beef, which is tender and flavorful. When you heat it up, the aroma fills the kitchen. Swiss cheese, which melts beautifully, sauerkraut that adds a tangy crunch, and Russian dressing that ties everything together with its creamy, slightly spicy kick. All this goodness goes between 2 slices of rye bread. Doesn't that sound good? Let's get started. The rye bread adds a nice, hearty texture that complements the filling perfectly. You'll love how the flavors all blend together. The tangy sauerkraut, the creamy Swiss cheese, the savory corned beef. Each bite is a delightful mix of textures and tastes. And that special Russian dressing. It adds just the right amount of zest to make this sandwich truly unforgettable. It's a party in your mouth. Every bite is a celebration of flavors. So gather your ingredients and let's make this amazing Reuben sandwich together. Enjoy! Okay, let's talk ingredients. To make the perfect Reuben sandwich, you'll need a few key items. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in creating that classic flavor we all love. For our Reuben, you will need a variety of fresh and flavorful ingredients. Let's start with the bread. Rye bread. Try to find a nice marbled rye. It has a wonderful flavor and adds a unique texture to the sandwich. The marbling in the bread not only looks appealing but also enhances the taste. Corned beef. Thinly sliced is best. Ask for it at the deli counter. The thin slices allow the beef to meld perfectly with the other ingredients, giving you that melt-in-your-mouth experience. Swiss cheese. Get a few slices. We'll use them later. The creamy, nutty flavor of Swiss cheese is essential for a classic Reuben. Sauerkraut. You can find this in a jar. The tangy, fermented cabbage adds a delightful crunch and a burst of flavor that complements the corned beef perfectly. Russian dressing. We'll make our own. It's easy. This dressing ties all the ingredients together with its creamy, tangy, and slightly sweet profile. Butter. We'll use this to toast our bread. A good amount of butter ensures a golden, crispy exterior that holds the sandwich together. For the Russian dressing, you'll need mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet pickle relish. These simple ingredients come together to create a delicious dressing that elevates the sandwich to the next level. First, we'll make the Russian dressing. It's simple. In a bowl, mix together mayonnaise, ketchup, and relish. You can add more or less of each, depending on your taste. Once it's all mixed, give it a taste. Add a little more of anything you like. That's it. Your Russian dressing is ready. Now let's build our sandwich. This is where the magic happens, and each layer adds its own unique flavor and texture. Butter one side of each slice of bread. This will give our sandwich a golden, crispy exterior when we grill it. Place one slice of bread, butter side down, in a pan. This is the foundation of our delicious creation. Layer on the corned beef, then the Swiss cheese. The corned beef adds a savory, meaty flavor, while the Swiss cheese melts beautifully. Add a nice spoonful of sauerkraut. Don't be shy. The tanginess of the sauerkraut will cut through the richness of the meat and cheese. Now drizzle some of that delicious Russian dressing on top. This dressing adds a creamy, tangy kick that ties all the flavors together. Finally, top it with the other slice of bread, butter side up. This will ensure both sides get that perfect, crispy finish. Now we're ready to grill. Place the sandwich in the pan and let it cook until it's golden brown and the cheese is melted to perfection. And there you have it, the ultimate classic Reuben sandwich. Enjoy every bite. Please comment, like, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.